Hello MYP3. Yay, we are back in remote learning. Alright, okay, we are going to continue from wherever we stopped. We were on the linear graphs, linear relationship, gradients. I hope remember you did gradients the last thing. Okay, how did you find the gradient? What was the formula you used to find the gradient? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. You wrote the coordinates, you labeled them, then only you put them in the formula to find the gradient. Okay, so we'll start. That was last thing we did before coming for remote learning. And today we will start with drawing a straight line graph. Drawing a straight line graph, you will find, the rule is you will find the x-intercept, right? On my graph here, that's my x-intercept. That's what you'll find, my x-intercept. And then number 2, you will find the y-intercept. That's my y-intercept. The place where the graph cuts the y-axis is the y-intercept. The place the graph cuts the x-axis is your x-intercept. We'll plot the 2 points and join them. Okay, let us look at the example and you'll understand better from the example. My equation, my question is, I have to draw the graph for y is equals to 4x minus 2. To find the x-intercept, I will make y is equals to 0. That means, in place of y, I am writing 0. Alright, 0 is equals to 4x minus 2. You can see now it is equals to 0. I have to solve for x. Minus 2 will come this side as plus 2. Right? So you're left with 2 is equals to 4x. 4 is multiplied to x. It will come this side and divide by 4. So 2 divided by 4 is half, which is 0.5. So x is equals to half. And right here at the bottom, I've just written that as a coordinate. Mostly in the exams, the examiners will ask you to write your x-intercept as a coordinate. Alright? Okay, let's find our y-intercept. To find the y-intercept, we will make x is equals to 0. That means in place of x, I'm writing a 0. That's my x here. I'll replace it with a 0. Once I'm putting that on the calculator, I'll have y is equals to negative 2. And this one too I've written as a coordinate. Right? So I'll plot those points on the diagram on a Cartesian plane on a x and y axis. That's my 0.5 there and negative 2 is somewhere there. This is just the estimated values, right? Okay. And then I plot them together and join them together. Very important when you're drawing the graph, you label your axis, the y-axis and the x-axis. There is marks given for that. If you do not label them, your marks will be deducted. Okay. Let us go on to, that was example 1. Let us now go on to example 2. Y is equals to 3x plus 7. Once again, to find the x-intercept, I will make y is 0. That means in place of y, I am writing a 0. 0 is equals to negative 3x plus 7. So plus 7 will come this side as minus 7. And then here I am left with negative 7 is equals to 3x. 3 is multiplied to get rid, negative 3 is multiplied, and to get rid of it, I will bring it that side and divide by negative 3. And once you divide, you get 2.3 as your value. So x value, the x-intercept is 2.3, and I've written that as a coordinate. To find the y-intercept, I will make x is 0. That means in place of x, I'm replacing it with a 0. There you go. Negative 3 into 0 plus 7. Once I put that on the calculator, in the calculator, I get the value of 7. And written that as a coordinate, 0 and 7. Okay, right. So I'll be plotting that. 2.3 goes on the x-axis and 7 goes on the y-axis. That's my x-intercept, y-intercept, and I have joined the line. So that is the basic way of drawing a straight line graph. I hope you have understood it. Together with this, I am going to be giving you a few exercises from the textbook. Plus, I am going to add the picture of the page so that it's easy for you to work on to those questions in case you did not take the book home. And very importantly, I want you to, once you finish the activity, take a picture, upload that on ManagePack. Thank you. Have a lovely learning.